Hi everyone, welcome to KHS Stuff, and today I shall be attempting to cook my very first omelette. Enjoy! So I've heated some oil. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So add a knob of butter to that. There we go. Hopefully that's enough. I have no idea. Heat that up. Get that all around the pan. Let's turn that down a bit, that's a bit high I think. Right, I'm going to make it a bacon and mushroom omelette. So I'm going to chuck in the bacon. Start browning that off. I've no idea how much to use. Never made one, so all the measurements pretty much guesswork. I'll get that going. Chuck in some mushrooms. Nice plate. Right, get those frying. Just leave that for a minute or two. I'm using 3 eggs, no idea if that's right, but hopefully it is, so I'm whisking those up. I've kind of half watched my wife make an omelette, but haven't really taken much notice of what she's done, or how many eggs, or how many mushrooms, or how much bacon. So, let's see how it goes. I've also got some grated cheese, which I'll add later. I presume that's a beaten egg, all 3, so leave that like that. Don't know how long to cook this for, I don't know, a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4, not sure, but we'll see. Might add some seasoning. We've got bacon in there, I won't add the salt. I'll just add some pepper in there. Right, that's been on about 4 or 5 minutes. I think that's done, so I'll take those off the heat, put them on a plate. I think there's enough fat in there to cook the egg. Again, I've got my beaten eggs, 3 eggs, add 3 slices of streaky bacon and about 5 button mushrooms sliced up. I think this is what I do next. Oh yeah, well that might be, maybe 4 eggs might have done, but there you go, it's alright. That's okay. Give that a couple of minutes to brown off. Right, just roll that side to side a bit. Get all the egg spread out. Looking good. Yeah, cool. Don't know if that's ready or not. Give it another minute, I think. Right, I've given that a couple of minutes. Should have done this earlier, I think, while it was cooking, but never mind. Right, okay. Now I'm going to put cheese, grated cheese. This is grated cheddar cheese all over it. There we go, perfect. Perfect. Right. Put the, I think I could have done with a bit more bacon and mushroom there, to be honest, but I don't really know. That'd be alright, that'd be alright. Yeah, I could have definitely done with more than that. Never mind. Right, now what I think you do is you flip half of it over like that. Oh, look at that! And then you let everything melt in there, I think. Cool, that's good stuff. Just let the cheese melt. Give that a couple of minutes. Well, I think we're probably done there. So I'll turn that off. Put it on my plate. A bit of bacon. There we go. Looks alright, doesn't it? Well, proof is in the eating. So let's have a taster. See what it's like. Hello, if you can see me. I've no idea. That's pretty good actually. Must have took me twice as long as it should, but success. Hope you enjoyed.